Hindi mo pwedeng. Okay. Hi guys. We're playing Sans MM2. Can you reset for me, please? I need the gun. I see you. Can you reset? Just press the Roblox catalog and then press reset. Reset, please. Reset. You just hear. Oh, yeah, you just got killed. I know the murderer. The murderer is Jesus! No, 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 no. Nope, not 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 let me change you. Oh my god, I can't shoot my aim. Bro, what the heck? Nope, not yet. Oh, bro, my aim. Broski, my aim. My aim. No! Oh, I thought that was him. Wait, I'm going to try to shoot him. Just try. Oh, oh. Bro, I'm giving Ziam the gun he doesn't want. Who's the murderer? Capybara. I can find the murderer. Oh, I see the murderer. I see the murderer. Wait, 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 wait. Oh, I see the. What the heck? What the heck? Bro, my what the? Bro, my aim. Sophie, please don't trade me right now. I'm trying to shoot the murderer. I'm trying to revenge you. What the? I know. Liam, get out of my way. Oh, I didn't revenge you, but I survived. Oh, what the heck? What the heck? What the heck? The heck? The heck? What the? What the? What the? Yeah, that's how. Wait. Okay. Roll my ink. Yeah. Okay. Roll my and here. My. Please don't kill me. Yeah. Here. Jump, 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 jump. No, this is me. That's me. That's me. Sophie, go ahead and jump. Sophie, jump. Jump. Oh, that's Diam. You killed Diam. Go, go, go. Someone killed you. Yeah, someone killed you. No, you didn't kill me. Bro, I was giving you the gun. You were not listening to me, bro. No, not you, Ziam. I'm talking to Ziam. I was trying to give you the gun. No, you didn't kill me. Don't worry. Yeah. It's okay, but not equal. It's okay, but not equal. Bakit? Binibigay ko sa'yo yung gun eh. Dinirivive ka kasi. Di pa nga ako angel eh. Nung angel ako, rinirivive kita. Nung nakuha ko yung gun, nagre-reset ako. Murderer! Murderer! Murderer!
Angel! Angel!
Okay. I see you. I saw you.
I'm
Ziam.
gonna revive you guys since I'm the angel. Because I'm a true angel. Oh God! I saw the murderer! Ayun na! Ayun yung murderer kay, ayun na! Ay!
Ziam, takbo. Oh,
Hindi.
Ulog, ulog.
Ayun yung sheriff! Nasa taas!
Alam ko, di ako makuha, Ziam, can you get the gun, please? Ziam, can you get the gun, please? Here. Please don't kill me. I need to kill this
Thank
girl.
you! Laia.
Bro, what is this internet? Sure.
What?
I saw some
Wait.
Wait, I'm going to kill. I already killed her, by the way. Oh, that's Ziam.
You're dead!
What the heck? What the heck? Ziam, tabi. Tabi. Forgot what?
Oh no, I'm lagging!
Oh, okay, tayong tatlo na. Ay, sorry! Sophie, I need to kill you. So I can win. Can you go outside?
Nasa locker siya! Nasa locker
Okay.
siya.
Sophie, just stay there. Sophie, just stay there. I know where you are. Sorry, no. Napadaan kasi ikaw sa harap ko tapos bigla na lang katatak. Sophie, where are you? Diam, asan ka? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you, Sophie? Hurry! Oh, here. Yay, thank you! Yay! Yeah. Oh. Someone's hacking me. Yeah. Okay, let me give you the capybara. Capybara. Accept my trade. Capybara. Here's a snowman, by the way. Yeah. Capybara. Capybara. Ano daw? Unique Robla? Via.
Innocent.
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 Wait lang, let's play Guess the Word. Wait. Oh! Guess the murderer. Okay.